Hello friends, welcome to another interesting video. In this video, we are going to see how we can stake Osmosis or Osmo in Keplr and earn a juicy 80+ percentage APR. So if this is something that interests you, then please keep watching. For this video, we need to have Keplr wallet installed, the extension of Keplr wallet installed. Keplr wallet is just like MetaMask, a Web3 application. So I have Keplr wallet installed, and you could copy this Cosmo address and send some Atom tokens here, because Atom tokens are the lifeline of this ecosystem. And in Keplr wallet, you can see you have Cosmos Hub, you have Osmosis, and you have everything. And if you click on Osmosis, I do not have any Osmosis as of now, but you get almost 82% APR, and I have some Atom staked, which is giving me 14% APR. So what we are going to do here is we are going to get some Osmo, and to get Osmo you need to have Atom first, and you need to go to app.osmosis.zone, and here click on connect wallet. When you click on connect wallet, it says you have 0 Osmo. Okay, let me just go to assets, need to go to deposit, click on approve, and from my Osmosis I'm going to deposit to Osmos IBC asset wallet. So I'll say max deposit, and I'll say low, and click on approve, and let's see how much time does it take. Transaction is broadcasting. So transaction is successful. So refresh. Now I see some Atom here. IBC transfer successful. Inter-blockchain transfer is successful. 0.8138 Atom has been successfully deposited. Okay, from here I need to convert this Atom to Osmosis. So I go back to trade. Now it is showing some Atom here. I say I need to keep some Atom with me for transaction fees and all. So I'll say 0.8, 0.75 is good enough. Okay, so I'll say swap. So it does not cost me anything. So I say approve. Transaction is pending. Transaction broadcasting. Okay, transaction is successful. All right, I go back to assets. Okay, now I have some Osmos with me. All right, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm going back to Keplr wallet, and all my atoms are gone from Cosmos Hub. And let me go back to Osmosis. Okay, I have some Osmo balance here, 2.53 Osmo. Okay, so I can now click on stake here. So when I click on stake, it'll take me to Keplr's own wallet. Okay, so I am under Cosmo. I have 2.53759 Osmo. Cosmo Station is one active validator which takes 5% commission, not bad. So I go back to manage. I say delegate. How much Osmo do I want to delegate? I'll say max. Okay, I go to delegate. Okay, fee is 0. I say approve. Transaction is pending. Okay, all my Osmo is gone from here. I'm still waiting. Okay, this is gone, so I go back to dashboard. Let me just refresh it. Okay, I have the total staked Osmosis showing up here. For the validator Cosmos station, I have some Cosmos Atom staked under validator multi-chain ventures, and the rewards will be credited soon after you stake the tokens. Okay, so it's telling me that Atom is yielding 14.84% per year. Osmosis staking rewards are the highest, and we could always stake secret also. And similarly, you could check the rewards here. The highest rewards are for Juno, I guess. And for Juno, you get 114% per year. So similarly, you could go to Osmosis, you could deposit your Atom and then go to trade and trade your Atom for Juno, and you could swap your Juno, but an additional step will be to send your Juno back to your Keplr wallet. For Osmosis, it is not required, but once Juno is converted from Atom in Osmosis, then you need to withdraw it back to your Keplr wallet, and then you could stake it here. So I hope this tutorial was of help. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you around. Bye.